Here, I give them the real life exposure. I'm trying to keep them on real cars. Everything out there right now runs and drive. It ran and drove in here. It better run and drive on the way out.
In suburban Detroit, high schoolers are learning the skills that put Michigan on the map.
We pushed up against there like that.
Sean Reisdorf is a master technician and the automotive instructor at North Farmington High School.
I'm looking at the future of tomorrow, and like, I get kids junior coming here for the first time. They're like, I didn't know this was a thing. And now all of a sudden their lives are different.
Tiffany Goldstraw has been with the program for 3 years.
So I switched out to the first class that had seats in it, and that was this class. It was a complete accident. And I got in here, and something about it just made my heart feel better. Because I like to read and write, but I couldn't see myself doing that for a living. But I could see myself waking up every day and fixing somebody's car. It's something that I enjoy.
The class is part of career and technical education. Reisdorf has seen many changes over the years.
Most kids that think about taking auto aren't thinking, I need physics and chemistry and biology to take auto, but this is where we're at. Pick something simple like a Pacifica hybrid. You got 60 to 80 computers on that thing, 55 miles of wires. Everything's electronic. The ability to think critically and understand what's going on is that level of student that we need that's, like an AP student. How many of these kids just don't have a clue of the opportunities out there for them because we're not exposing them to that?
Owen Varva is already earning money working for the school district repairing school buses. He says he wants to be a diesel or heavy equipment technician.
And when I finish my co-op, they'll hire me on, and I will go from making $13.73 an hour to making $24 an hour. I'll make about $50,000 a year to start, which is a great place to be.
According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are about 805,000 auto mechanics in the country, with a median pay around $50,000. But Reisdorf has seen much higher numbers.
A student graduated 2 years ago is already making over $100,000. A student that I had 20 years ago that went through the entire process from the dealership level to the corporate level, big management positions, and he's probably making over $250,000 a year. There is opportunities, but again, that's the outlier, if you will, right? The student that's aggressive, passionate, dedicated to the trade. And how do you know if you're good at what you do unless you do it?
Not everyone in the class will be a full-time mechanic, but some are already on their way to make this their career.
I walked in here my freshman year, and I was honestly almost overwhelmed by everything. Now, when I look at a car, and I'm thinking more about how it works, and it's really cool, and it's something that I'm almost obsessed about.